So guys, in today's video there will be no experiment. Instead we will play a game. Means I'll give a simple challenge to you and I am sure that you will not be able to complete this challenge. And in the same video we will reveal the trick and then you can recreate this with your friends or family members. So before that, if you are new to the channel then please subscribe to the channel, and if the video was nice then please like the video. So guys, now let's start. First, for this you need an empty bottle and you have to make a small paper ball like this. You can make this using any type of paper. The challenge is very simple guys. You have to keep this paper ball here in the neck of the bottle and you have to put this paper ball inside the bottle. Yes, it's very simple. But there is a condition. You can't turn the bottle like this and put this ball inside. And even you can keep the ball like this and push it by your fingers. But instead you have to put this paper ball inside the bottle by blowing air. Yes, it seems very easy. So now let's try this. So guys, it's not that easy to put this paper ball inside the bottle. So now let's reveal this. Instead of directly blowing air by your mouth, you can use this straw to blow air. So now let's try the same by blowing air through this straw. And now let's see whether our paper ball is moving inside the bottle or not. So guys, wasn't it amazing? There is also a science behind this. If I say it in simple words, the bottle already has some air inside it. So when we blow air directly, the air moves inside the bottle by the space between the paper ball and the bottle. So here what happens is, when the extra air goes inside, the air which is already present inside the bottle comes out, pushing the ball outside. And so this happens. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.